Hi, I'm Quinten Dlemos, and by profession, I'm a soft skills and spoken English trainer. In soft skills, I cover communication skills, presentation skills, leadership skills, public speaking, personality development, and interview skills. In spoken English, I cover how to use good vocabulary, how to speak fluently, how to have that sound command in English, how to have a good conversation in your professional and personal life, and how to use appropriate grammar. And I'm able to do all these because I've done my master's in English from Mumbai University and also done my PG in operations from Wellinkar College, Mumbai. I have a rich experience of many years of working in the corporate, many multinational companies. And because of all these skills and qualities, I'm able to provide that expertise and cutting edge technology to my students because I focus on quality and value. And if you are one of those who lacks in all these skills, if you have this deficiency in soft skills, spoken English, I would say that don't delay. Take action quickly, and you will see yourself growing in the corporate world and in the business world. Because the more you delay, you're actually hampering your own growth. So if you want to see yourself climbing in the corporate ladder and business world, if you want to see yourself scaling heights in your professional and personal life, then don't delay, take action fast. And I'll be more than happy to teach you, to guide you. I can take you through the nuances step by step, block by block, because I have that expertise and all my students have done exceedingly well in their professional and personal life. This is all about myself. Thank you.